Martin.
Ma'am.
Mila! Mila! Quit!
Oh yeah, that's my fluffy toy. I know you didn't just throw. Did you just throw my fluffy toy, man? Oh, so that's what we doing? We throwing other people's stuff? Okay, well catch this. It ain't funny when I throw stuff. You.
Yo, give me some, give me some. Give me some. Yeah, boy.
You always have stuff in your mouth. What? I know it's more than just your tongue. Oh. Harper.
Nacho, that's not your seat. That's not your seat, Nacho. That's Leo's seat. Come on, move over. Nacho, that's Leo's seat. Move over, Nacho.
Shit.
Off. 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 Gotta get off the bed.
I had a couple Red Bulls. You ever had a Red Bull? I never had a Red Bull before, but I had a Red Bull last night. I really like Red Bull. I got a new necklace. Glows in the dark. But you can't really see it right now unless you do this.
Say, I love you.
What is that then, Goose, huh? What's that?
Guilty.